Industrial expansion always outruns regulation. It is not intentional, it is structural. Technology moves first, capital follows, law arrives last. The moon is entering the second phase. Launch systems are operational, robotics are advancing, resource mapping is precise, private capital is interested. What is missing is a defined governance architecture capable of managing large-scale extraction, settlement, and territorial coordination. This absence is not chaos, it is a vacuum, and governance vacuums do not remain empty. They are filled, either by cooperative design or by unilateral action. The current international space agreements were drafted when lunar activity was scientific, not industrial. They focused on preventing national sovereignty claims. They did not anticipate sustained commercial infrastructure, autonomous mining zones, or interdependent supply chains. The vacuum is not about ownership alone. It concerns access rights, extraction quotas, environmental safeguards, operational safety corridors, dispute arbitration, liability for damage, security responsibilities. If two corporations invest billions in adjacent regions and require overlapping access routes, who defines priority? If robotic fleets interfere with each other's extraction zones, who arbitrates? If debris from one installation damages another, what court has jurisdiction? Without predefined answers, every conflict becomes improvisational. Improvisation at planetary scale increases systemic risk. Capital markets dislike uncertainty. Uncertainty increases insurance premiums. Higher premiums increase project cost. Higher cost reduces efficiency. Reduced efficiency slows planetary scale development. The governance vacuum is therefore not philosophical, it is economic drag. The absence of clarity becomes a tax on expansion. Historically, governance frameworks that arrive early reduce friction. Maritime law allowed global trade to scale safely. Air traffic control allowed aviation to become routine. International seabed agreements prevented uncontrolled resource conflict in oceanic zones. The moon requires a similar architecture before scale accelerates beyond manageable limits. This does not require central authority. It requires predictable rules, neutral arbitration mechanisms, transparent registries of operational zones, defined environmental standards, clear enforcement processes. Without these, industrial actors will construct informal control systems. Informal systems evolve into hardened boundaries. Hardened boundaries evolve into geopolitical tension. The governance vacuum is not dramatic. It is quiet, but it compounds. The moon does not require ideology or conquest. It requires coordination before scale. The vacuum is the risk. Designing structure before escalation is the rational path. Once industrial capital fully deploys, governance will emerge. The only question is whether it is intentional or reactive.